as a user of Xometry, you can act as both a customer in this transaction and a supplier. So we're going to walk through both. So let's start on the customer side. And so on the customer side, you guys have already seen how profiles work. Well, that's really where the beginning of that journey starts for us. I'm going to look for a specific finisher here for this demo. This start a quote button is really how customers get into that proposal experience. And so this form, they'll be able to come in and fill out a proposal with what they need, with their requirements. They can upload files, they can create different types of line items, because we're going to need to support a lot of different types of categories in our marketplace. And they'll be able to provide information like, their lead times, and then also, where to ship this to. So this quote, once submitted, will get sent to the supplier, and they'll get an email notification that they've got a new request for quote. Important things to call out, this line item functionality is designed to support a lot of different types of line items. So whether you are a custom parts manufacturer, or whether you are a finisher, we want to create the kinds of different types of line items to support your specific type of service.